Hi, I'm Sunil Dhawan, founder of sunildhawan.com and the Launchpad program. In this final episode of Global Launchpad series, Japan edition, I want to speak directly to Japanese founders and business leaders who have powerful ideas but are struggling to get them built fast because of limited software, talent, or high local cost. The good news is you don't have to compromise on quality or control. You just need the right development partnerships, structured, transparent, and trust based. And India today offers exactly that. Why this matters now? Japan's startup energy is rising, but many founders tell me the same story. We know the market gap, we just can't find the engineers to build it quickly. While Japan has world class hardware and product design skills, there is still a software execution gap, especially in the SaaS, AI, and mobile space. At the same time, India has matured into a global software powerhouse with expert teams who have delivered thousands of enterprise and startup products worldwide. So instead of waiting 6 months to hire locally, you can co build with a trusted Indian partner who works as your extended team in India or here in Japan. Japan's precision and India's execution together turn ideas into products faster and stronger. Why India works for Japan? Deep technical expertise in AI, cloud, low code, and SaaS platforms, talent availability at a scale, English friendly communication, and structured weekly rhythms that suit Japanese process thinking. Cultural alignment, India values relationship and long term trust, just like Japan. Global delivery maturity, processes, documentation, and transparency tools are a standard. But this only works if you choose your partner strategically, not just cheaply. That's where the Launchpad framework comes in. The Launchpad 5 step process for selecting the right partner. Step number one is clarity on the problem. Before you look for developers, document exactly what you want to build. What problems are you solving? Who is your end user? What is the simplest version that proves your idea works? Your MVP. A clear problem statement will help any partner deliver with precision. And here's a tip: if a team does not ask clarity questions, they will miss the mark. Step number two is validate before you hire. Talk to multiple teams, share your concept, and observe who just agrees and who asks strategic questions. The right partner will challenge your assumptions and will suggest better architecture or UX flows. Choose a partner who thinks like a co founder, not a coder. Step number three is demand a structured roadmap. Before any coding, ask for a 90-day MVP roadmap with weekly milestones, defined deliverables, demo dates, and testing plans. This ensures visibility and accountability. Two things both Indian and Japanese cultures value. Here is another tip: if they cannot show you a structure before you start, you will not get it later. And the step number four is always insist on transparency. Professional Indian teams today work with tools like Slack, ClickUp, Jira, Figma for live tracking, set a weekly review rhythm, and require clear documentation for every iteration. Transparency is not negotiable. It creates the trust that Japan demands. And step number five is start small, scale smart. Begin with a single module or a pilot. Evaluate delivery speed, quality, and communication. Once trust is proven, expand the scope. Great partnerships start with a small win that builds confidence on both sides. What to avoid? Number one is freelancer platforms are a trap. Higher ratings not always equal to enterprise experience. Avoid unclear contracts. Always define ownership of source code and IP upfront. Don't over customize early. Focus on core features and perfect them later. The right partner will not say yes to everything. They'll help you build what matters most first. And the Launchpad advantage. Inside the Launchpad program, we use this framework to help Japanese founders and businesses validate their idea with clarity. Build a precise MVP roadmap. Match them with a trusted Indian team already vetted for quality and communication. Oversee delivery so the processes feel as structured as a Japanese project. It's not outsourcing, it's co building. with discipline and speed. So, if you are a Japanese founder ready to turn your idea into product, do not wait months for local hiring or risk freelancers without structure. Use the Launchpad approach to find trusted partners, build your MVP fast, and enter the market with confidence. Visit sunildhawan.com to learn more about the Launchpad program or watch my 10-minute Launchpad video for a step by step look at how we turn clarity into execution. I'm Sunil Dhawan, and this is how we turn clarity into reality. Build anywhere, launch smart, scale globally. Thank you.